If you keep creating content this way, in 6 months, you will still be wondering why you can't connect with people or get clients. Even if one of your videos go viral, that's the real danger nobody talks about. Everyone says, just be authentic, but most creators misunderstand what that means. Sharing everything about your life is not authenticity. Recording yourself crying, recording fear on purpose, then editing that moment later when you're not even sad anymore, that's not being real. That's a staging vulnerability. And on the other side, showing only success, gear, or lifestyle, that's not authentic either. Both are performances. Most creators don't like authenticity, they like position. They share moments, but they never tell us what those moments mean. So the content has no direction, no gravity, no signal, just noise. Let me give you a real example. For 50 days, I posted my daily routine, what I was doing, how I worked, my process, and I thought I'd connect with people like me, people taking action, people building something. But what happened? Only my friends liked the content. So people who already knew me, no new connection, no resonance. I felt like nothing was working. And the truth is that it was working, just not in the way I needed, because I was documenting life without taking a position. So this video is for you if you want to build a personal brand. You create content, but it doesn't resonate. Or you think better gear or more vlogs will fix it. So it won't. Daily life, is not storytelling. A vlog is not a story. Storytelling needs a beginning, a middle, and an end, and something at stake, a belief or a direction. Here is the sentence to remember, so you can pause the video if you need to. Taking a position helps you understand who you are, give meaning to what you do, and connect with people who think and act like you. That's the system. And here's the simple filter I use now. So there's 3 questions, so no more. 1, what do I believe that most people won't say? 2, who will disagree with this? And 3, who will feel understood because of it? If your content doesn't answer these, it won't resonate. Because authentic content doesn't mean unplanned. It means imperfect on purpose, like clear thoughts mixed with hesitation, ideas clarified while speaking, process over polish. And at some point you have to ask yourself, are you trying to look good or are you trying to be understood? Here's a 5-minute exercise you can do after the video is go on Instagram and unfollow everyone you keep following just because you have to or you don't want to be a bad person to them. They will forget anyway. What matters is strengthening your real circle, so online and offline. Alignment first and reach later. Now, the danger if you ignore this, I did this for 5 years, posting, hoping something would go viral, and when it did, I still felt empty because no clarity, no deep connection, I didn't build a strong personal brand to build on, so that's the cost. What changed when I took a position? Honestly, I'm more scared, but I have more clarity, more confidence. I attract people I want to work with, and I repel the rest. So trust builds faster, and it's meaningful trust. It even forces you to ask bigger questions like, then what do I want? What do I don't want? In work, in relationship, in life in general. And the opinion I avoid sharing for too long is authenticity without structure is useless, because being real without direction doesn't create connection. Structure is what turns honesty into something people can recognize, remember, and trust. And here's the truth, authenticity without position creates delusion. So delusion creates confusion, and confusion kills growth. So authenticity without position doesn't make you real, it makes you invisible. And one last thing you can ask yourself, if you're still wondering, is if you stop trying to please everyone, what would you finally say? And that's where authenticity actually starts.